President Biden signing an executive order to prevent and combat gender discrimination, allowing transgender women to compete in women's athletics. It reads in part, children should be able to learn without worrying about whether they will be denied access to the restroom, the locker room, or school sports. But two Idaho collegiate athletes are fighting back, saying fairness for female athletes shouldn't be a political issue. One of those students, Idaho State University cross-country runner Madison Kenyon, and her attorney, Christiana Holcomb. They join us now. Good morning to you, ladies.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
You're welcome. So, Madison, tell me how this affects you.
Yeah, so I have competed against a biological male in cross country and indoor track. And it's super frustrating and very unmotivating to lose against a biological male in your own sport. And having experienced that, I decided to get involved in this lawsuit because I felt like it was the best way for me to get my voice out and fight for these opportunities that should be preserved to women.
Christiana, how about you from a legal standpoint? How does this all fare?
Well, we'll have to wait and see how the agencies implement the executive order. But what we do know is it sends a message loud and clear to female athletes like Madison that you don't matter to this administration. Frankly, federal law does not matter to this administration because federal law is really clear that we have women's sports as a separate category to ensure that female athletes get to be champions and get to have a fair and level playing field.
Madison, it's a sensitive topic. Why is this important to you?
This is important to me because I've experienced it. I know how unmotivating it is and how frustrating it is to lose to a biological male and to see them on the podiums in the female sports. And I don't think any other female should have to experience that.
Christiana, you want to include everyone and you want people to feel loved and accepted. Is there an alternative? Is there a compromise here?
Well, we certainly think there's a place for everyone in sports. The real question is, where is it most fair for everyone to compete? Men and women are not identical. And this is really showcased well in sports. The whole reason that we have women's sports as a separate category is to showcase those physiological differences and ensure that female athletes like Madison get a chance to be champions, to get those podium spots and so forth, and really showcase their talent.
Has there been talk about having a third team or a third competition?
I've certainly heard that as one suggestion. Again, I think at bottom, what we need to be doing is ensuring that the female sex category is protected because there are those physical differences between the sexes that make it unfair to force females to compete against physiologically superior male athletes.
Ladies, thank you so much. Please keep us posted on how this works out in court.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
You're welcome. Thank you.